Hello all, this is Gordon pursuing B.Tech third year in the Department of Mechanical in Robo Engineering College. My main project is Sahaya Setu. What is Sahaya Setu? Sahaya Setu is a carrier carries groceries, food items and medicines to the required areas. If you see the COVID-19 hospitals, doctors and patient nurses are directly treating the patients. So they are also getting affected. In order to reduce this, we built this project which helps carrying the groceries, tablets and medicines to them. Let's have a look at it.
Sahaya Setu is a disinfectant robot. The robot consists of 4 wheels which are connected with the servo motors. These servo motors are controlled by the microcontroller. And here is our prototype Sahaya Setu.
What's special in it? Let's have a look at it. We used IoT, which covers better coverage than the traditional networks.
IoT makes work more feasible with sensors in many fields such as tracking and monitoring. And coming to the design, we used NX software to build this vehicle. And operations can be done with mobile interface Wi-Fi Arduino through mobile app Blink. Just installing mobile app Blink and coding, we can operate it. And coming to the specifications, we used a number of servo motors are 4 and maximum load up to 8 to 10 kgs. And here is the robot tested on the track. And coming to the operators, we used servo motors, no MCU with Wi-Fi module and PCB antenna. And coming to the future scope, we want to integrate it with the GPS and camera. So we can go to the remote areas, COVID-19 areas and to the villages, to each and house. We can tell them that we can message them or through voice we can communicate with them. And coming to the synopsis, it is an unmanned vehicle, carries milk packets, food packets and medicines. We can operate it within a range of 50 meters. We can sanitize even. And coming to the results and recommendations, it is a solar rechargeable battery. We can recharge when it is running also. And here are the YouTube links you can follow. Sahaya Setu always works for the COVID-19 warriors, farmers and makes their work more easier and better life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shazia. I'm here to tell you about Sahaya Setu. This project was aimed on helping out COVID patients with their requirements without help of a human. Apart from this prototype is also helpful to provide water for carrying to the village areas and help them with their requirements as well. So, as we all know that more than half of India's population based on the villagers has no access to drinking water to their homes. They should walk for long distances carrying children with them and so on. According to UNICEF 2017 reports, around 227 million people and more should either walk or make a queue to go to their homes carrying water with young children and pregnant women and many more. These all leads to the spinal cord diseases, musculoskeletal disorders and relatable disabilities. So in order to get over it, we here are providing Sahaya Setu which can carry water without a human help. With this water scarcity, even more of the school children and like small girls are missing out their schools at their respective areas. So, this makes us understand that all they need is a simple human helping machine which can reduce the burden and physical tasks. So, here is Sahaya Setu.